So in this step, we are going to download Git, we're going to install it, and we're going to clone the tower repository from Bitbucket. So go to this URL up here. If you're on a Mac, then you will probably have the Apple version of Git already installed. However, you can update it to the latest one, 2.31.0 at the time of this recording, and have the latest version of Git, and that's probably the best thing to do. So click on 2.31, and then once it's downloaded, install it, and then we'll test it. Note that you have to probably control click on here and select open, which will give you another box, and then you can open the install. Just follow all the defaults. It's very simple. Once we're done, open up your terminal. The easiest way on the Mac to do this is Command space and type in TR until terminal comes up. Alternatively, you could find this in the utilities folder on your system. In terminal, we just need to check the version by typing git --version. Okay, it's 2.31, so that's all good. Now to clone it, we go back to our repository and we hit the clone button, make sure we've got HTTPS selected, and we select copy. Then go back to terminal, paste that in, and we've actually missed out one step. So let's not do that. Let's create the folder where we want our game. So I would suggest that inside your user folder, you create a Bitbucket folder and a GameMaker folder inside that, and then these are all my games inside here, and you clone it within that folder, and once you clone it, it will create another folder for you here. So in terminal, we actually want to get to this folder here, don't we? So a little trick is if you type cd, which stands for change directory, directory is a folder, and we drag in this GameMaker folder, then it will change folder to GameMaker folder when we hit enter. And there we go, we're in GameMaker. Another way of being able to see what folder you're in at any point in terminal is just type pwd and enter, and it will tell you. So we're there. So when we clone it now, it is going to clone inside this folder. So let's bring back the clone command. Let's just go through this quickly. It's using git and the git clone command and the URL to the repository that we created. Okay, so hit enter. It will ask you for your Bitbucket password, so make sure you know your Bitbucket password. Okay, and it's done. So let's just check in Finder. Yep, it's created tower there, and that is our new repository. So in the next step, we will be creating a game in GameMaker, adding the game files to this repository here, and then pushing those files back to the central repository so that all our team can then get them.